Mollie. Welcome to day 7 of the 12 days of photo organizing secrets. I have a confession. Today's secret may not be a secret if you've watched any of my stuff before. But for those of you who are new, here's the secret. You need to have one digital photo home. My name's Mollie, and for almost a year now, I've been talking about one digital home on my YouTube channel. And if you want to see all the different options that are out there, click the link up above. For our purposes today, I'm going to talk about 3 options for getting all your pictures to one place. And it's so important that you store them in one place so that you know what you're working with, that you have everything together and you can find what you're looking for when you need it. So, option A, we've already talked about. Secret number 1 was storing your pictures in folders on your computer. So, that could be the Finder app on a Mac or the File Explorer on a PC. You have a Master Family Photos folder. And be sure that you back it up routinely to make sure your photos are safe. Now, option number 2 is an online storage company called Forever, and they actually guarantee to migrate your pictures to the newest technology for your lifetime plus 100 years. That's why it's called permanent. Forever happens to be the simplest solution that I have used, and I have many of my clients using it and some of the family as well. With Forever, when you purchase the storage, you are able to upload your pictures, and then you can make photo gifts like books and mugs and things like that. They have a whole line of services. They are a tech company that focuses solely on family pictures and family history preservation. Different completely from Google and Apple and Facebook and Amazon. Forever is a great solution, and so much so that my company, Pixologie, is an ambassador for them. We've got a link below where you can try it out for free. The third option is a program called Mollie. It is a photo management software that installs on your Mac or your PC. It can also install on your phone so that you can sync photos from your phone to your computer. Mollie offers a beautiful interface to be working with your photos, as well as very advanced features in photo editing, metadata editing, and much more. I really like the program as well, and I've got a coupon code below as well if you're interested in trying that out. The point is you need to have one place for your pictures, and so often we're saving things in multiple places and you don't know where to start. So these 3 options are my go-to solutions for the clients that I've worked with through the years. The last point about the one digital home that you need to listen to is you need to work with it routinely, like at least once a month, so that you can remember what you were doing when you stopped. You can remember the tips and tricks of using the system, and you can easily add the new photos that you're taking, because aren't we all still adding pictures to our photo collection? All right, that was secret number 3, which I don't know if it was a secret or not, but if you've got thoughts about one digital home and where you'd like to save your photos, leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear it, and your thoughts might help someone else. That's it for now. We will be talking about secret number 8 tomorrow. Thank you so much.